Hi guys, I saw a question just a couple of days ago asking if it is possible to put a quiz directly below the lecture video. And I think the reply right now is that it is not possible to put a quiz directly below your lecture. But if you really want to do that, one option that you can consider is embedding a Google form. So as you can see in this example, we have a lecture note here, and I will show you how it looks. This is the lecture video that I have. Now I will put a Google form directly below the lecture video. Okay, so this is the Google form that I prepared, and I will try to put this below our lecture video. So first, you have to click this send button right here and then choose this embed icon here. And then copy these codes. Then now go back to your page and paste it here. Save. And now when you preview your form, you can see that the Google form is now below your lecture video. Okay, so this is an option that you can consider if you really want to proceed this way. But of course, you will be using Google Form instead of the quiz which is already included in Acadle. Thank you very much, and I hope this helps.